Hello everybody. In this video, you will learn how to download a VPN on a TCL smart TV. We will be downloading NordVPN in this video because it is easy to use, protects your privacy, and works perfectly on Android TV and Google TV models. If you want to try it yourself, you can check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your TCL smart TV. Once the store loads, go to the search bar and type NordVPN, or you can simply type VPN and look for NordVPN in the results. When NordVPN appears, select it from the list and click the Install button. The TV will begin downloading the app, and once the download is finished, it will automatically install it for you. After the installation is complete, make sure the NordVPN app is now available on your TCL smart TV. Open the app, then sign in using your NordVPN account email and password. Once you are logged in, you will see a list of servers and locations you can connect to. Choose the server you want and click Connect, and your TCL smart TV will now be protected by the VPN. You can start streaming, browsing, or using apps on your TV with more privacy and access to more content. If you do not already have NordVPN, use the link in the description to go directly to the NordVPN website and create your account before installing the app on your TV. This link gives you the best available price and makes the setup faster and easier. For TV users, you can also scan the QR code on the screen with your phone to open the NordVPN link instantly and start using it right away.